Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're excited to share our journey with you. Here, you can expect a variety of content that inspires creativity, sparks ideas, and brings you valuable tips and tricks. Our goal is to create a community where we can learn together, share experiences, and grow. If you enjoy what you see and want to stay updated on our latest videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating content you love. And if you find something you like, please give us a thumbs up, it really helps us out. Thank you for being here, and let's get started on this amazing adventure together. The world of reimagined wooden furniture offers a unique opportunity for creativity and profit. In recent years, there has been a growing trend towards upcycling and sustainable practices, making this an ideal time to dive into crafting furniture that not only serves a purpose but also enhances aesthetic appeal. By breathing new life into old wooden pieces, you can create distinctive items that cater to an ever-increasing market of eco-conscious consumers. Before embarking on your crafting journey, it's crucial to understand the market for reimagined furniture. Many consumers are looking for unique, handcrafted pieces that tell a story, as opposed to mass-produced items. This desire for individuality presents an excellent opportunity for artisans who can offer one-of-a-kind furniture. Researching local trends, attending craft fairs, and exploring online marketplaces can provide insights into what styles and types of furniture are currently in demand. To successfully reimagine wooden furniture, you'll need a set of skills and techniques. Basic woodworking skills are essential, including sanding, painting, and finishing. Familiarizing yourself with various styles, such as rustic, modern, or vintage, can help you cater to different customer preferences. Techniques like distressing, staining, and applying unique hardware can elevate your pieces and set them apart from others in the market. Online tutorials, workshops, and community classes can be invaluable resources for honing these skills. Finding quality materials is critical for crafting furniture that is both beautiful and durable. Look for old furniture at thrift stores, garage sales, or even on the side of the road. Salvaging wood from discarded items not only saves money but also aligns with the sustainable ethos of upcycling. Additionally, consider collaborating with local wood suppliers or lumber yards for reclaimed wood options. This practice not only enhances your product but also promotes environmental responsibility, which can be a strong selling point. Once you've developed your skills and sourced your materials, it's time to create a brand. Branding is essential in distinguishing your products in a crowded market. Develop a cohesive aesthetic and voice for your business that resonates with your target audience. This includes everything from your logo and packaging to your online presence. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, where visually appealing content thrives, to showcase your creations and engage with potential customers. Deciding where to sell your reimagined wooden furniture is crucial for reaching your target audience. Local markets, craft fairs, and pop-up shops can provide direct access to buyers and allow you to build a local customer base. Online platforms, such as Etsy, eBay, or your own website, can expand your reach significantly. Each channel has its own benefits, and a combination of both local and online sales can maximize your income potential. Setting the right price for your reimagined furniture can be challenging. Consider the cost of materials, the time invested in crafting each piece, and market trends when determining your prices. It's essential to strike a balance between affordability for customers and ensuring that you make a profit. Research similar items in your niche to understand the pricing landscape, and don't hesitate to adjust your prices based on demand and feedback. In conclusion, reimagining wooden furniture for profit is not only a rewarding creative endeavor but also a viable business opportunity. By understanding the market, developing your skills, sourcing materials responsibly, creating a strong brand, and effectively selling your products, you can turn your passion for woodworking into a profitable venture. Embrace the journey of crafting cash through your unique creations, and watch as your efforts transform not just your space but also your financial outlook. Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked what you saw, it really helps us out and motivates us to keep creating. Your engagement means a lot to us, and we can't wait to share more with you. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.